Okay, Huff hot water heater. The old cover is back on. Squeeze the cover to get it off. This is all a new piece. The lighting sequence is turn it to the lowest setting. Turn the blue to pilot. Press the red button, hold it down as long as it takes for the gas to get there. Snap your igniter a few times. In this window, if you look in and to the left, you'll see the pilot light lit. When you're done that, turn it to on. And then turn up your heat to the desired level. Replace the outer cover when you're done. If you ever have problems, this window is removable with a screwdriver. You can look in or light it manually, which shouldn't be an issue. You can snap it back in. Put your cover back on. Done. And thank you.